Hi, are you looking for a new case for some of your camera gear, maybe action cameras, that sort of thing, and all the accessories? This might be what you're looking for. STARTRC sent this over to me for review, and I gotta say, I really like it. It's holds a whole lot more than you might think from a case this size. So stay tuned and I'll go through and show you everything that I got in it, plus a unboxing just to show you all the compartments and everything else that are located inside. Thanks. I'm going to start off by showing you a 360 up close view of this bag. It is made of weather resistant material, which will help you while you're out in less than ideal conditions. I also wanted to do just a quick unboxing to show you how it comes packed, plus all of the interior compartments. You'll be surprised at how many compartments there are in here and how they fit together. Depending upon what types of items you plan on putting in here, you can stack them, you can put them in separate compartments. There's places for cables, as you can see, and there's three zippered pocket areas where you can put things like, I put my SD cards in there, my wireless microphones or lapel mics, just a little of anything you can put in those. And you can look, since it's such a deep compartment, you can stack things as well. You could easily put a microphone and your little tripod there on top of each other and it would fit in there just perfectly. I'm putting an Insta360. It'll hold the pocket, Osmo Pocket 3, extra batteries, chargers. I even have filters for my Osmo that I'm going to show you. I put in there, and a little monitor, believe it or not. And this was the very first time that I had actually packed it. And this is how it came out. I had to rearrange it a little bit just to kind of get everything organized. But this was the first time that I ever put anything in here. And I was surprised at how much I could get. Plus, I could get more if I wanted. But here it is. This is the Universal Tech Pouch from STARTRC. Check it out.